Aren't there things like tape or something that you can put on your nose or something? Like, have you tried any of that stuff?
Not yet, but I've been looking into that, and I know that's a thing.
Okay, so first of all, let me just ask.
Yeah.
Is this a make it or break it for you and your partner?
No, absolutely not.
Okay.
Then maybe
I don't think so.
maybe the problem is she needs to get over it.
Shayne, you can go.
Whoa!
Shayne,
You
can go.
Shayne told me.
no. Listen, this is why Shayne has me. Don't listen to that.
Great.
Look,
great.
we're running on
Okay.
not much time here. You could also duct tape your mouth.
No,
Hey.
hear me out. Okay, do they still sell Breathe Right strips?
I think so. I've seen.
I
it,
think
yeah.
maybe like you're sick or
like my sinus.
maybe your sinus is congested.